Good morning, students. In this video we will discuss BCNF Boys Code Normal Form. So it is the updated version of 3NF. So it is also called as 3.5 NF, and the rules for BCNF are it should be in 3NF. So it removes 3NF means it removes transitive dependency in the table, and for any dependency, for example A determines B, A should be the super key in a table. A should be the super key in a table. Super key means it contains any number of attributes to uniquely identify a particular row in a table. So the left hand side attribute should be the key to identify the non-prime attribute in a table. A should be the primary key to identify any non-prime attribute in a table. So these are the rules for BCNF. Now see this example. So in this example, each student has can select multiple subject. Each student can select multiple subject, and each subject has multiple faculty. But see here, the faculty teaches only one subject. Here the Radha teaches maths and the Lakshmi teaches maths. So each subject has multiple faculty, but the faculty teaches only single subject. Here Ambika teaches physics and Radhika teaches computers and Lakshmi teaches maths. So even though the data is repeated and it suffers from various anomalies, like if I insert any faculty details but the student could not assign to that faculty, we could not insert the faculty into our table. So it suffers from insertion anomaly. And if I delete the any student information in the table, the corresponding faculty details also will lose. So it suffers from deletion anomaly. And if I update any faculty information, automatically if I forget to update in any other column, it also suffers from updation anomaly. So even though the table suffers from various anomalies, but it is in the third normal form because it could not contain any multi-valued attribute, and there is no partial functional dependency, and there is no transitive dependency in the table. Here the SID and subject is a candidate key and faculty is a non-prime attribute. The faculty depend on both SID and subject, so there is no partial dependency and there is no transitive dependency also. So faculty dependent on the SID and subject, but in this table there is one more functional dependency. Here the faculty determines a subject. By using the faculty, we can find out the subject what he teaches. Here each faculty can teach us only one single subject. Therefore subject dependent on the faculty. But here faculty act as a primary key in this functional dependency, but actually it is a non-prime attribute. So it breaks the second rule in the BCNF. So in this rule, A should be the super key in a table. A should be the primary key in a table. But here the faculty, the left hand side attribute, it is not a primary key. It is a non-prime attribute. It breaks the rule number 2 in a BCNF. So to make the entire table in the BCNF, we are dividing the table into two subtables. According to the functional dependencies, we are dividing the table into student faculty table and a faculty table, faculty subject table, student faculty table. So here the student has each student has one faculty. Each student has one faculty, and the faculty table contains the faculty and the subject what he teaches. So now the tables, the faculty table and student faculty table is in the BCNF. Thank you. In next video we will discuss fourth normal form.